Hi there. In this video, we'll be going through how to change and manage some of your account details and order details if needed. So firstly, let's go to account details. Essentially, you'd have to be logged in. We have a video on how to log in. As soon as you are logged into your dashboard, you navigate to the bottom hand, and then you would go to account details. Under account details, you can see some of your basic details that you have, your name, last name, and then display, as well as the main email address used for communications and logging in. And then you can also change your password here if you're already logged in. You don't have to reset your password. Another thing would be addresses. Let's say your billing or shipping address would have changed over time and you want to just update the website if needed. You just navigate to your addresses as I've shown, and then you have billing and shipping address where you can either edit or add if they aren't there already. I'll just show you how it looks. You click on edit, you'll be prompted to a new page where you can enter all the details needed. You can then update the billing address as well for all active subscriptions if you would like to, but otherwise you can leave it unchecked. Then once you've changed it to Test Road, for example, you just hit save address. You'll then be prompted with a message saying that it's been changed successfully. And the same steps follow for adding anything or editing anything. It's basically just bringing you the drop down where you can edit and add, and then you just save if needed. Then I think the next one we'd like to look at would be memberships or audit. Then I think the next one we should take a look at would be orders. You navigate to orders and click there. Now here on my accounts, I just have a bunch of test orders that I've done just to show you the different types that might be showing here. So we have another video where we show how to make payments if you haven't already for orders that we've created for you. If you'd like to check that one out, but this one would just be to manage existing orders after having made payment. So essentially there would be the status of your order. Completed would indicate that your order has been completed, you've paid, and everything is alright. Pending payment would mean, as in the other video where you can see how to make payment, you would still have to make payment for your order. And then on hold means that payment has been made by EFT, for example, and you are still waiting for your payment to be approved and your funds to be allocated. So let's take a look at one of the on hold orders. You would click on view. Here when you view an order, you can exactly see the order number, when it was placed, and the status. Also show you what it is for, full memberships, affiliate memberships, and also how many, as well as the total price and payment method that was used. Also show you your billing address as well as the name provided when you checked out, or the name that was provided to NFDA to show on your certificates. So this is just basic order management. Next, we would go to membership management. Click on the membership button on the left hand side. This will then bring up the actual memberships that are currently active on your account. So the difference between orders and memberships are just the simple thing that orders are just used to manage the payments, and then memberships are actually used to manage your certificate memberships that are active on your website, on your dashboard. So here you can see I again have a few different ones. You can see the plan that it's for. We have full, limited, and affiliate. And then we can see the status, which would indicate if it's active or if it is paused. So this is just my test account, but this would most likely be what yours would look like, the start and the end date when it expires. And then you can actually go ahead and either cancel or view your subscription. So for one that's still active, you won't see a view billing, you would just have the view option, which you can click on. Once you went to your page, you can click on manage. which will basically just bring up the status and the start and the end date. You can then also take action by actually cancelling your subscription. After doing so, you'll get a prompt saying your membership was cancelled, and your status will be set to cancelled. So essentially, if you need to manage any of your existing memberships, you can just go to view or directly cancel them. If you do not see your membership here, then you might have to contact NFDA and ask them to make an order for you. Otherwise, as shown in one of our other videos named Making a New Order, you can go to the very bottom of any pages on your dashboard and then actually sign up and place an order yourself if needed. Good job, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching.